An aspect ratio is a proportional relationship between an image's width and height. Essentially, it describes an image's shape. With image blocks, an image's aspect ratio changes depending on whether you'd like it to fit the block and maintain its original shape, or fill the block, where it follows the shape of the block. You can also choose from more creative shape options, organized here by aspect ratio. For other places where images appear, such as blog post featured images, galleries, product images, and portfolios, you can set one aspect ratio that will apply to all images of that kind. For example, if you choose an aspect ratio of 3:2 for blog post featured images, all blog post featured images on your blog page will be cropped to this shape. When images appear in different sized browser windows, they scale up or down to fit, so they don't have exact dimensions like 750 pixels by 500 pixels, but will always be the same shape, or same aspect ratio. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.